Hello everyone, welcome to Something of Everything. In today's video we are going to learn how to use the TCIRCLE command to quickly draw circles or slots or rectangular around the text in CAD. The TCIRCLE command is a handy tool when you need to highlight the text with circles or slots, making it easier to emphasize the text in your drawing. Here we have a simple drawing with several pieces of text that we have to emphasize. Let us see how to use the TCIRCLE for the same. To use the TCIRCLE command, simply type TCIRCLE, press enter. You will be prompted to select the text object that you want to encircle. Let us select 1 and 2. After selecting the text, you will be given the option to create the offset of the circle or the slot. Let us say it is 0.5. What do you want to enclose it with? Circles, slots or rectangles? Let us say circles. Press C. It is asking us two variables, that is constant or variable. If you select constant, it will draw the circles of constant diameter irrespective of the text. It will calculate the offset from the highest size of text, and all the circles will be of the same size. When you are creating the center line drawing or something like that, you have to select the constant. And when you only want to enclose the text with object, that is circle, irrespective of the size, all you want to do is you want to just offset it with a minimum amount. To emphasize it, you have to select the variable. Let us select constant. As you can see, two circles has been created. Let us see the diameter of both. 6.51, 6.51. Let us now create the same with variable command. You can find the circle in Express Tools, Text and Enclose Text with Objects. Let us select 3. Let us say the offset is same, circles is same, and here it is variable. As you can see, all the text, all the circles that has been drawn will have the different diameters with respect to the text size. Now let us draw a slot. So type TCIRCLE, press enter, select the object, give the offset and select slot. It is asking for variable and constant. As you can see, this is the slot that you can get. And what happens if the text is vertically upward? Let us see. TCIRCLE, select the object, offset is same and slots with variable. As you can see, it will be offsetting the text with slots. Now let us do TCIRCLE with rectangle of enclosing and type R for rectangle. Let us say it variable. This way you can emphasize the text with different geometrical shapes. We hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more CAD tips and tricks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.